Hi, my name's Penna, and I'm a design consultant for Lamont Bros. Remodeling your kitchen today with limited funds is harder than it used to be. But that doesn't mean that new kitchen can't be designed to meet your budget. We're going to walk you through a few factors that you should consider when trimming down your budget. Also, a few steps that you should take when considering the costs in the remodel. So first I'd like to talk about a few factors that would be included in your kitchen remodel. First is your storage, your cabinetry. We want to consider whether you need an upgrade to accommodate for more storage or if you need to reallocate space that is available. Aesthetics. Do you like the current design of your kitchen cabinets? Maybe replacing the doors might accommodate the design. Or countertops and tile backsplash is some other options that can really brighten up the space. Appliances. Now there's a few other options in the appliance packages. Do we do some of them or do we do all of them? And oftentimes, if the appliances aren't too old, it might be the best choice to keep them in place. Lighting. People tend to forget about lighting in a kitchen remodel. Are we replacing all the fixtures, or is there specific areas of the space that really need to be enhanced to complete the look? Flooring. The difference between a laminate and hardwood flooring is a significant cost difference. So let's talk about a few options that you can do to keep the cost low. Changing only what you need to, specifically your kitchen layout. Now, if we're gonna swap and move your appliances and your cabinetry around, this will also impact your flooring, your countertop available space, and where your appliances are gonna have to be relocated. These are all going to drive that cost up astronomically. Opting for entry-level cabinets. Now here at Lamont Bros, we scale our cabinets on a good, better, best system. The differences between our good, better, and best cabinetry is about 30% in between each level. So from your good level cabinets to your high-end level cabinets, you can see in total a 60% difference. Sometimes that 30% level really achieves all the designs needed for your specs. We also art thin-skate countertops instead of solid surfaces. Now this is a product that is recently being installed in a lot of our kitchens. It's a healthy and durable alternative to your quartz or natural stone. This is coming in a thinner profile, but still has the aesthetic look of a great quartz or marble. Something important to consider when achieving the aesthetic of your design: hardwood floors are a lot less resistant to the elements and have a lot more expenses involved. Going with a cheaper laminate or vinyl will really save you in costs. Our plumbing fixtures are also ranked on a good, better, best system. On our good level, we're going to be looking at Delta, Moen, and Price Pfister. And then anything above that in our good category, you're looking at a 10 to 15% increase. And in our best, you can even see as high as 60%. Minimal tile work. Now, a part of every kitchen remodel, you're going to want a nice, beautiful backsplash to go along with your nice, beautiful new countertops. But minimizing the amount of tile work will be the most effective in changing the cost of that outcome. By utilizing the extra cuts from your countertops and placing them in the back of your counter space, we can really achieve a cost-efficient design. Fewer cabinet drawer banks and features. Now there's a lot of things that can be included in each of our cabinets. You can have pull-outs, you have soft closes, you can have touch latch systems, but really considering what you really need for your space to the design is effective by only choosing the minimal parts that really are going to make you feel at home. I hope this was helpful information when considering the costs associated with the kitchen remodel. If you have any other questions, please visit us at lamontbros.com, going through our blogs tab and viewing other articles on kitchen remodels in Portland.